It happens every evening. You finish dinner, and within 20 minutes, that familiar, burning tightness creeps up your chest. Acid reflux, heartburn. So, you do what millions of other seniors do. You reach for a chewable antacid, or you take your daily prescription acid blocker, a proton pump inhibitor like omeprazole. Within minutes, the fire is put out. You feel relief. You think you have solved the problem and protected your esophagus. You haven't solved anything. You have just turned off your body's primary digestive engine, and by silencing that acid, you have unknowingly initiated a countdown to severe, irreversible nerve damage. You see, the tingling in your feet, the sudden loss of balance, and the numbness in your toes aren't just poor circulation or getting older. You are actively starving your nervous system to death, just to cure your heartburn. To understand this betrayal, you need to understand why your stomach has acid in the first place. It is not there to torture you. It is a highly corrosive, essential chemical designed to break down dense proteins like meat and eggs. More importantly, stomach acid is the only way your body can extract vitamin B12 from your food. Vitamin B12 is not an optional nutrient. It is the critical building block for your myelin sheath. Think of the myelin sheath as the thick, rubber insulation wrapped around a live electrical wire. It protects your nerves and allows electrical signals to travel from your brain to your feet instantly. When you take an antacid or an acid blocker every day, you neutralize your stomach acid. The food sits in your gut, rotting instead of digesting. The B12 stays locked inside the food and is flushed down the toilet. You are eating a perfect diet, but you are chemically inducing a severe malnutrition crisis. Without vitamin B12, that protective rubber insulation around your nerves begins to rot away. Your nerves are left exposed, raw, and short-circuiting. This is called peripheral neuropathy. It starts as a faint tingling in your toes. Then, it feels like you are walking on pins and needles. Eventually, your feet go completely numb. Because you cannot feel the floor beneath you, your brain loses its spatial awareness. You try to stand up from a chair, your foot rolls on the carpet, and because the nerve signal is delayed, you don't catch yourself in time. You fall. A broken hip at 75 is a death sentence for your independence, and the absolute tragedy is that you didn't fall because your legs were weak. You fell because the heartburn pill you took for the last 5 years slowly dissolved the electrical wiring in your legs. You must stop the neurological decay. Ironically, most seniors do not have too much stomach acid. They have too little. The weak acid fails to close the valve at the top of the stomach, allowing it to splash up into the throat. To restore your digestion and save your nerves, you must reacidify your stomach naturally. Introduce 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar diluted in water 15 minutes before your meals. This signals the valve to snap shut, preventing the burn while allowing you to digest your food. Next, to bypass your compromised stomach entirely, you must take a sublingual methylcobalamin B12 supplement. This dissolves under your tongue, entering your bloodstream directly, bypassing the digestive failure, and immediately going to work, repairing your frayed nerve endings. Don't let a heartburn pill put you in a wheelchair. Subscribe to Silver Health Wealth to protect your mobility. And tell me in the comments below, have you been taking an acid blocker every day, and do your feet tingle at night? This script perfectly isolates the problem, explains the biology, visualizes the physical threat, and provides a clear, actionable solution.